Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to use Hoopla through the Free Library. So here we are on the Free Library's website, Free Library Philadelphia. So we're going to go to login, make sure we're logged in. Their site is a little funky because I know I'm logged in, and yet it has the login button. So here we are on my page. Nothing checked out right now. I just had a couple of books I turned back in that were online and digital since we can't visit the physical library. Okay, so you're going to go to Explore, and then you're going to go over here to Digital Media. So I went from my login page to Explore, and then Digital Media. This is one way to get to Hoopla. So I go to the Digital Media Guide, and then there's all kinds of options here for ebooks and audiobooks, but I'm going to go to Hoopla. Hoopla, ebooks, audiobooks, movies, comics, music, and more. Okay, and then this is the landing page on the, I'm still on the Free Library's website, so it wants me to access, you can access Hoopla over the streaming video section of our digital media page. So I can go here. So this is just databases. This is also under Find. I just find this way easier. So I'm going to go to H in the alphabet for Hoopla, and that's down towards middle top of the page. And now I'm scrolling down to Hoopla. Don't allow. Okay, so notice it went to a landing page and then it logged me in. So I have some books from the other book groups already checked out, and you all have Touching Spiritfarer, so I'm going to look that up. And there it is. It didn't like it, so let me type it all the way. Okay, there we go. Really? It's only because I'm recording that it's doing this, right? Okay, so Touching Spiritfarer, there it is. This is the book. You'll have it for 21 days, so you do need to kind of be on it. I believe you can recheck it out. This is a new tool to me, so we'll also have to find out, but it's free. So then we want to borrow title. And just like most library books, I have 2 to 3 weeks to read it. They give you 3 weeks. And then I can go to My Hoopla, currently borrowed, and here's Touching Spiritfarer. And then I can click read and go ahead and start reading it. So it does let you have kind of a small version. You can also zoom in or search the book. You can use Control plus or Control minus to try to zoom in. You can also access this on your phone. You don't have to do it on a computer like I am. And then down at the bottom it tells me what page number I'm in. All right, if you guys have any questions, specific questions really help, and let me know if you get stuck. Good luck.